Hello, my name is James Carpenter. I'm here with Bodaq Finishes. We're at the Nelcos facility in Burnaby, BC. Bodaq Finishes and Nelcos are the distributor of Bodaq Films to North America, and Bodaq Films are developed by Hyundai LNC in Korea. I'm going to walk you through the process of becoming a certified installer. Even if you have extensive experience in the architectural film industry, we do still ask that you become a certified installer, and there's several reasons for this. First of all, Bodaq Films has its specific features that make the installation process a little bit different from some of the other products on the market. It doesn't mean that the product's more difficult to install, it just means that installers need to be more familiar with some of the particulars with Bodaq Films. Secondly, a lot of installers have experience primarily in certain settings, whether it's walls, whether it's cabinets. And when we're certifying an installer, we want to make sure that they're capable of doing multiple different tasks, both from simple to complex and in multiple different scenarios. To complete the tests, we will need you to have at least 25 linear feet of Bodaq film, squeegee, a heat gun, knife, Bodaq primer, and other necessary tools. Before proceeding with the tests and the certification, we just ask that you would read our installation manual first and also go through some of our videos online that we'll provide. We will need you to take pictures before and after the installation process on each one of the surfaces that you're applying to. Make sure that you get close, detailed shots, both with video and still photography. We ask that you would take pictures of your installation process and short videos. We want to make sure that you're prepping the surface properly. Surface preparation is one of the key components to be able to have a quality product when we're finished. Now we're going to show you 5 different tasks that our lead installers performed that we're asking you to perform on the certification process.